Date is the 14th of October 2020. Here's Asuntoin Multisillankatu 3, and this is staircase A. This residential building has 7 staircases, and we have already filmed the staircases E, F, and G. We still have to film the staircases B, C, and D one more time. Date is the 14th of October 2020. Here's Asuntoin Multisillankatu 3, and this is staircase A. We have filmed the staircases G, E, F, and G, the 3 last ones, and we are now filming the staircases A, B, C, and D. Everything's original here and amazing. It was built in 1971 with MP and 6 pumps by Kone. It's turning 50 years old in the next year, 2021, when it will be inspected again. And the serial number is H25339. And the capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. It's good that it's 4 persons, not 3 persons.
Yeah.
It's one thing I also noticed.
Yeah.
And behind this is just the sähkötarkastuskeskus, eli inspektionscentralen.
Yeah. Inspected by device maintained by also no descriptors.
All the inspection marks behind it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching.
That's